Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram's latest feature that lets you play your voice message before sending it in chat on your PC. This update gives you more control over your messages, ensuring everything sounds just right before you hit send. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your computer. If you're using a browser, simply go to the Instagram website and log in with your account details. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen and find the messages icon. It looks like a paper airplane. Click on it to open your direct messages. Now, scroll through your conversations, or use the search bar to find the chat where you want to send a voice message. Click on that chat to open the conversation window. You'll see a microphone icon. This is the voice recorder. Click on the voice recorder icon to start recording your message. Speak clearly and share your thoughts just as you would in a regular conversation. When you're finished, click the stop button. Here's where the new feature comes in. Before sending, you can now play back your recording. Click the play button to listen to your message. This is especially helpful if you want to check your tone, clarity, or make sure you didn't miss anything important. If you're happy with how your message sounds, go ahead and click send. If not, you can always re-record until it's perfect. That's all there is to it. With this new update, Instagram makes it easy to communicate more personally and confidently, right from your PC. Try out this feature the next time you want to send a voice message, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with reviewing your message before it's delivered. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on Instagram.